I'm high as I've ever been, higher than heaven sits. Roll up my weed and think about my exes and jealousness. How to stay current and relevant.
Yo, hey guys, it's me again, and this is how you tell if your battery is dead or dying on a BMW E46. So for me, I haven't used my car in a couple of weeks. It's just been sitting in the garage, and I try and turn it on, and this is what happens. It doesn't crank, it doesn't start. I just hear clicking. So immediately I think, well, it's the battery. So this is how you check your battery in the hidden BMW instrument cluster menus. So first, you're gonna want to hold down your trip reset button all the way on the left. So you're gonna hold it down until you see the list of different tests and whatnot. So you're gonna want to click until you reach test 19, and once you reach test 19, let go of it for a second until you see off, and then you're gonna want to click it until you reach test 9. So within test 9, it's gonna basically test your voltage of your battery, and to tell if it's a good battery or not, you're gonna want to be above 12. Around 12.2 to 12.6 is probably the best. That means your battery is working fairly well. But if it's below 12, well, your battery is not gonna have enough voltage to start your car, and that's why it's gonna be clicking and it won't start. So now I know that my battery is bad. I don't have to test anything else, my starter, my key, or anything. I know immediately that it is my battery because I'm sitting around at like 11 volts, which is quite low. So what I would recommend is if yours is also a little bit under 12, I recommend putting it on the charger if you have one. Let it sit a few hours, make sure you don't overcharge it or anything, and your car should start up after it's charged up. I guess that's about it for this video. Like and subscribe for more E46 videos, and that's about it. See you guys later. Peace.